Hello and welcome to Login Science. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can repost someone else's Instagram story to your very own story. So let's get started. First thing first, to be able to repost someone else's story, you have to be tagged in that particular story. That way you can just click on add to your story and you're done. But in other cases, what you can do is number one, take the screenshot of that story and then you can just post it on your own. You can adjust it or you can also edit it beforehand and post it. Number two, what if it's a video or reel? Then well, you can just screen record it and then post it on your story. Number three, sometimes people tend to post their actual post on their story. So in that case, what you can do is just click on the post, you'll get the link, tap on it, and that very post will open. And you can click on the send button and you can post it in your story easily. Anyways, this is how you can repost someone else's story on your own if you want. And yeah, thank you for watching.